So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in our previous video of Python in 20 days, we have discussed about how to install Python. So in this video, I'm going to show how to install a good IDE named as Sublime Text 3 and how you can install it in your Windows operating system. So let's begin. So for installing it, you have to go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. After opening Chrome browser, you have to write Sublime Text 3 download. Okay, so you could see the first website www.sublimetext.com. You have to click on it. I will leave the link in the description. After that, select your operating system. I'm in Windows, so I'm selecting Windows 64-bit. So it's a very small 10 MB file, so it might take just a while to download. Now once it has been downloaded, click on it. And you might see a menu like this. So tick this checkbox and click on next, and it will show ready to install, and click on install. Now it's completing the Sublime Text 3 setup wizard, so click on finish. After that, close your browser and now search for Sublime Text 3. Now you can see that our Sublime Text 3 is downloaded, and you can now create a new file, and you can also open a folder with it using this. And now you can write your code. For example, print hello world. So I will explain Python from next tutorial, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel, and till the next video, bye bye.